Namaste. Welcome to the channel. And today I have a very good friend of mine, Marin, with me.
Hey.
So today we will be doing low lunge position, Anjaneyasana, and Marin will be performing the position and I will be guiding the position, the right way of doing it, and what can we do to adjust the person during the position, all these things. All right. So let's start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Alright. So this position, you can start with tabletop or downward facing dog. Here we will be starting with the tabletop to downward dog and to the low lunge. Okay, so Marine, come into tabletop. Now let's go into the downward facing dog. Alright, okay. And from there, whichever side you want to do, we will be doing the left side. So I will request Marine to take the left leg forward and drop the right knee down. Now, if required, what we can do, we can use a blanket under the back knee to make it more comfortable, all right, if someone requires that thing. Now, the things that you need to focus on is, can you a little bit lift up? Your front knee should be aligned with the ankle, okay? If it's going slightly crossing the ankle joint, well, fine, but definitely not crossing the toes line. So try to keep it as much as possible over the ankle. Then the pelvic should be dropping down as far as you can according to your body. Drop the pelvic down and also work on the back leg should be rotating in. It should not rotate out. All right. When you're done so far, then what you can do is you will focus in this area to try to open the chest and keeping your shoulders relaxed. Now, if you're comfortable here, you can stay here, or from here, you can take your arms up and join your palms or keep your palms away. Choice is yours. And slightly work on the chest opening. Again, according to your body. Now, what's the focus? Your focus will be to keep the pelvic close to the ground, dropping it down nice, and at the same time lifting up towards the sky. Okay, so this way you will find a nice stretch with your body. All right, so far good. Let's move on to some adjustment. Okay. So now some modifications and adjustments that we can do in this position. First one, you can use blocks. How? Let's see that. So Marine, can you grab the blocks? Yes. Place the blocks and place your palms nicely onto the blocks, and you can divide the body weight. So there is not too much weight on your legs, and then you can enjoy this stretch. Okay, this is one. Then apart from this, you can simply make a namaste and then again working on that pelvic stretch. All right. And now if you want some deep stretching and the students trust you and you know how to handle the body, all these factors do matter, right? So we can try this one. So take your arms up. Now what you need to go here, interlocking your student's arm behind the neck area nicely and grabbing the elbows or the triceps area. From here, you're opening the chest, helping them in this rotation, and with the other leg placing on the thigh area, you will internally rotate it so that you can adjust the pelvic also. If it's going too much out and stay there, then you can lift more and give them a nice stretch. And then again, release, release, and gently come back to the position. Right? So that's it. If you like the video, well, share it with your friends. Namaste. Oi. Sorry. Namaste. No, I have to do this. Sorry. One more.
What did you do?
I didn't like it. Namaste.